Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm aware that a lot of you are sitting for WAEC, NECO, GC programs all over the country around this time. WAEC is a very popular global exam. So basically, let's call it an international exam. Anyways, it means West African Examination Council. So it does not make much sense to call an examination a council, but basically let's call it WSSCE. That's West African Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination. So that's the right name. So next time you are talking about the exam you're writing, don't say WAEC, say WASE. That's the correct way of calling it. So basically, WASE is the exam that you write at the end of your senior secondary school in secondary school. So that's at the end of SST. That's when you write WASE. And WASE is a relatively interesting course. It's an interesting program to take because it's very interesting because you learn a lot of concepts and you learn to apply them in your studies in your WAEC examination. So that is why in this course we're going to be dealing with a lot of concepts I want you guys to understand before your examination. So I'll be talking about that in this channel. Just stay tuned. I'll be releasing videos, tutorials for you guys to watch. Thanks for watching.